Hello everybody, welcome to Hikeerz. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add an image in Blender. Like always, I will have my screencast keys enabled at the bottom left. Anything I do will appear there. And with that being said, let's get into the video. To add an image into Blender, it's really simple. All you have to do is hold Shift on your keyboard and then press A. As you can see, a little menu has showed up on your screen. Now what you want to do is go down until you find image. And then after that, you want to click on it and then go to reference. As you can see, it has pulled up your files. Now, all you got to do is go and find whatever picture you want to add in. I'll use this picture, for example. And then as you can see at the bottom left of the little tab it is opened, or not bottom left, but bottom right, you can see this blue button that says add empty image / drop image to empty. All you got to do is click on that, and as you can see, you now have your image in Blender. If you found this video tutorial useful, make sure you like and subscribe. And with that being said, bye-bye.